Hello guys, hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, for today you can comment where I am for now, where I am guys. You can comment where I am. You know guys, for now you can see we are decorating the kitchen garden. Yeah, as you can see my friend here is busy digging out. Yeah, as you can see guys, we have already worked from since morning guys. From since morning come here. We have digging this place in order to make it neat guys, to remove some unwanted weeds. Is it? Yeah, okay, you can say something.
Hello. We are just preparing the land here.
Yeah, huh?
We want to plant vegetables.
Okay.
All the kind of vegetables
Yeah,
we want to plant here so that we are not so disturbed
yeah,
going to the market to buy vegetables.
yeah, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay guys, as you know, I think Bosmara is somehow he must go on.
He's leaving this weekend to
Yeah,
Mombasa.
yeah, he's leaving in this weekend guys. Imagine now, we must be prepared, you know. We must be prepared guys, so we have to plant some vegetable. In order, when Bosmaro went away, we must have something to eat in Villa Medellin, you know guys. We are the main which we are going to be left here guys. Imagine guys, so we have to make this place neat and to plant some vegetables. Yeah, we must plant some vegetable in order not to be watu wenye wako hungry ni kwa Kiingereza. No guys, English is not vegetable. We must struggle to have something. Yeah? Watu wenye wako njaa, hunger.
Yes.
We must not so we have to make this place to be better and plant some vegetable in order not us not to be hungry. Is it true? Yeah, that is amazing. Hey, this boy have some power, you know, as you can see. Yeah, you must use some good ugari and must have energy in order to do this work. It's not easy work, but we manage. You know, guys, we have really told you that in any work come across in Villa Medellin, we must do it, guys. We must. As you can see today, we are digging here, guys. It's not an easy work. You have seen how it is bushy. Yeah, it's bushy. As you can see, guys, there is a lot of grasses here. You know, here this place have been fenced, as you can see. So there is no any interference in this kitchen garden. As you can see, there is horses. The horses are there, so they can't move to this side to disturb this kitchen garden. Okay guys, so keep tuned, watch the video until the end. Wow, watch the video until the end. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like my video guys. Hey boy, you wanted
Be careful.
you wanted to remember me, huh? You wanted to fear me.
This jembe bwana has no eyes that
Even if it does not have eyes, you must be careful. When you see someone passing near you, just regulate the speed.
Why should you pass near me when I'm doing a job?
Yeah, that is.
You should pass away.
Okay, that is amazing. Okay, guys, let me work. So keep tuned. Watch the video until the end. Wow. Woo. Let me put my camera when. Sasa ingekuwa na stand. Okay guys, don't forget please to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, that is the main thing I want to ask from you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Load to 1000 subscriber. Please guys, take me to 1000 subscriber. You have seen I'm really working. I'm really posting every day in order to have my audience. So please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also comment whether I'm doing some good job or not. You know, I may working hard like that, but some people are not feeling well. So you must comment guys whether I'm doing a great job in Villa Medellin or not guys. Yeah. Keep tuned. Okay guys, from here I will show you something amazing. So keep watching this video. Watch the video until full guys. We do say watch the video full. So watch the video full as I'm going to show you something amazing. Wow guys, please watch the video until the end. Okay guys, I've gotten my cameraman. You can use the Murika.
Yo, what's up guys? It's only Masubo over here. As you can see, everything is just manganyo. So yeah, it is what it is.
As you can see guys, I want to show you how we are struggling to decorate this kitchen garden guys. Yeah, the work is not somehow easy, but we must struggle. We must, you know, a man is struggling.
Yeah.
A man is struggling guys. So let me show you how we are made it.
Yeah.
Everything is managed.
It's not brought one a porridge for the farmer.
The porridge is there.
Is there?
Yeah.
You know, people in the farm
come with it here. You know, this work we must have
must
something.
eat well.
You must eat well. If you
It needs a lot of
you
energy.
jump around, you can't manage.
Hmm?
You can't manage.
That
Huh?
I can.
Nowadays somehow you are lazy.
I'm not lazy.
It's only with households.
Is that I'm just busy over there.
But you can't. Come on, manage nani? If you manage terrazzo, why this?
This I can.
A man is a man. A woman is a woman. Started thinking, you must know there is a fish. So guys, we must keep quiet in order to the fish to catch up, guys. So I must keep quiet. The water have started shaking, so I must be careful. Let me add another. You know guys, this is our hook. So I must we use the earthworms in order to attract fish to the hook. So I must remove this one and change the other one. Let me take where is it? They are up there. Wow, so amazing. Wow. This is our we have decided to put here our atoms. So I must remove from this container in order to place in our something amazing. Wow, guys. Today I don't know whether I'm lucky today. No, this job needs some patience. Do all know that patient pay. So I need to be patient in order to do this work. We are live in our village, guys. Okay, I have to place back to. Whew. No, guys, here we must keep quiet. We must keep quiet. You don't want fish to hear our sound. It will not come. So I must keep quiet.
Ndio hiyo. Ni nini hasa unasubiria?
Whoa.
What are you waiting for?
Oh yeah. Today,
Why are you
guys,
missing, ban?
I'm,
You're missing, ban.
let me
It's
take
not that you're not lucky.
Why? Why? But the stick is somehow shaky. As you can see, it's shaky, really shaky. Guys, it's the time for my friend here, Boke. Andrew. Is it Andrew or Boke?
Both of them.
Both of them. It's time for him to test whether he is lucky today. As you can see, guys, the floater is somehow sinking. Wow, that is amazing. As you can see, guys, the floater is sinking. Today we are out of the Vira. Today we are out of the Vira Medellin, guys. Guys, it seems that today both of us we are not lucky, guys, because we are not catching the fish, guys. Wow. We will go back to the Vira Medellin to feast with vegetables, guys. Imagine. Ah, today is some more clever. Today there is nothing, but the floater is somehow sinking, but we can't manage to get even one fish, guys. Wow. Okay guys, this could be the end of this video, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, also comment to my channel, guys. This is the support I want from you guys. Please guys, I'm talking like that because there is some music going on there, the other side there, so I have to be loud in order the music to not to be hard to give me the copyright. So guys, please keep tuned. Always visit my channel. To my returning subscriber, guys, I love you guys for the support that you give to me. So guys, please always visit my channel, also commenting to my channel, please guys. Bye bye. This is the end of this video. This is the finishing, guys. This is our fruit garden, Vira Medellin. Wow, this is very fantastic.